Hey, Gospel Guitarist here, and I'm just wanting to share my thoughts on my bass amp. Just a Ampeg Micro Cl model with a 210 cabinet and a 100-watt head. And real quick, for controls, you've got a normal input, you've got a 15 decibel negative input so that you have an active bass like I have here. You won't overload the input on the amp. So you got your volume, bass, mids, treble controls. You've got a volume control for your auxiliary input on the front, so if you plug your phone in or a CD player or something to play along with, you can mix the two right here. There's a effects loop on the back and a 1/4 inch line out. It's not a DI, it's just a line out. So it'd be nice if they put a DI on it, but they didn't. So so this is just a slight playing review on it, just so you can hear it a little bit too. It's built like a tank. The covering is not cheap. This stuff is really, really thick and durable. It's very nice. Got a little carpeting on the front and the piping and two good 10-inch speakers in here. And I like the sound of it. I think it's a nice sounding practice amp, or maybe for a small acoustic band or a quiet rock band without a loud drummer. I'd love to hear what this head sounds like through a bigger cabinet. When I push it, you can get a little bit of farting, at least with my active bass here, because I got a boost control on my bass. I got a little knob. It's an Ibanez Geo 4-string, and it's got an active bass there, and then your treble, and then the pickups have their own volumes, and that's very simple. It's a very nice and tight sounding amplifier, and it's got a lot of clarity. Takes the lows pretty good. It's got a lot of high end in it. Everything I have up here is just going straight up, and it's just the bass straight into the amplifier. You have to excuse my bass playing. I haven't played bass seriously in years, and now I wanted to complete my bass rig. I got the bass, and it's a decent bass. It's not super expensive, but it's great playing Ibanez bass. I wanted an Ampeg for years when I used to play bass. I could never afford them, and I thought, well, it might be small, but it's got punch. So, and I don't play out. I don't play live. If I do play live, it would be with a church outing with a bunch of acoustic instruments. So if I really wanted to play my bass, this would work. I'm imagining a 5-string bass through this would be okay, but it'd be pushing it. I used to play 5-string bass all the time. So anyway, that's just a little bit of playing. Don't do a whole lot of high register slap picking and stuff like that. I'm kind of an old school bass player. Play mostly with my fingers. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you're thinking about buying one of these, they're great. I really like them. I wouldn't mind adding a second cab just to see what it would sound like with dual cabs, but they only sell it with the head as far as I've seen. So anyway, that's my real quick little playing review of the head. I haven't had any issues with it. It's great. It's a great purchase for less than 500 bucks. It's a good investment. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope this turned out this time. And I'm hoping the editing goes well. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you find it helpful. Any comments? If you own one, chime up. What are you playing it with? Do you play a 5-string or 6-string through this thing? Do you have an effects unit? I have a Boss GT1 that I just got for Christmas that I'm diving into a little bit. So I'm sure there'll be a video on that coming out. But right now it is bass, amp, that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day.